Age your kitchen paper, I'm at the Zoats. Yangnyeom Chicken.
Let's go.
Grab a couple of lovely looking chicken thighs, chop them into bite-sized pieces, pop them over to the side. In a big old bowl, shove in all of your chicken bitties. A teaspoon of garlic, a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, a couple of tablespoons of sake, and a big old mixity mix. Into a bowl, add some starch. Once you have enough starch to drown a rat, one by one, give everybody a good old roll in there and then off to the flame. Get a whole pot full of oil up to 180 degrees Celsius and then just start dropping in your spicy chicken boys. Once they're golden brown, you can take them out and onto an awaiting paper line tray. In a big old pan, let's add in 100 ml of water along with 3 big old tablespoons of gochujang. A big thanks to our Korean neighbours for this wonderful invention. 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 2 tablespoons of mirin and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar and a big old mixity mix. On a high heat, let's reduce this down. Now for the best part, let's add in all of our chicken and get everybody coated. Make sure that everybody is fully coated and then we can plate up. On a plate, just stack that chicken sky high. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds, looking nice. And she's ready for Instagram, ladies. Alrighty, it's tasty time. As far as tips go to make sure that this is perfect, keep that oil at 180 degrees Celsius just to make sure it gets super crispy. Other than that, you should be fine. If you like what we do this practically every day. So like and subscribe, maybe comment down below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!